Oh wow, buckle in, get ready for fun and learning. This is a homeschool pop U.S. states video. In this video, we are learning about the state of Montana. How fun does that sound? The state of Montana. Right here, we have a United States map, and we want to find out where the state of Montana is. Where is Montana on the United States map? Do you know? Yeah, Montana is right up here in a region of the United States called the Mountain Region. It's pretty cool, huh? Now we are going to look at the different places that border the state of Montana. Montana is bordered by one country and 4 states. Bordering Montana to the north is the country of Canada. Yeah, Montana shares its northern border with Canada. Then, bordering Montana to the east are the states of North Dakota and South Dakota. Then, bordering Montana directly to the south is the state of Wyoming. And finally, bordering Montana to the south and to the west is the state of Idaho. Do you remember where Montana is on the United States map? Montana is way up here in a region of the United States called the Mountain Region. Okay, now we're going to look at the 2 main nicknames of Montana to learn even more about this cool state. The 2 main nicknames of the state of Montana are Big Sky Country and the Treasure State. We're going to look at both of these nicknames in detail to find out why they are nicknames of the state of Montana. The first nickname, Big Sky Country, comes from the fact that the sky looks so big in Montana because nothing seems to block the sky. The sky looks massive. When you look over the landscape, you're just like, wow, the sky looks so huge because there are no big buildings blocking it. It's just a massive sky, and you can drive miles and miles and miles just seeing this amazing sky with nothing blocking it. Even when there are mountains in the distance, remember that Montana is in the mountain region of the United States. The sky still seems so huge, which is why Montana got the nickname Big Sky Country. Now you might remember Montana also has the nickname the Treasure State. That's because Montana is so rich in incredible minerals and metals like gold and silver. In fact, the state motto is Oro y Plata, which is Spanish for gold and silver. So Montana has the nicknames Big Sky Country and the Treasure State. Now let's take a few moments to look at the flag of the state of Montana. Ta-da! Here is the flag of the state of Montana. Big Sky Country, the Treasure State. The flag of Montana is a blue flag with the state seal in the middle, and above the state seal is the word Montana in gold letters. The state seal shows a pick, a shovel, and a plow in a field that's in front of the Great Falls of the Missouri River with mountains in the background. The state motto, Oro y Plata, which is Spanish for gold and silver, is at the bottom of the state seal. After all, Montana is the Treasure State. Awesome! Now we're going to look at two major cities in the state of Montana. The first city is the city of Helena. Helena is the capital of Montana and is in the western part of the state. Then, in the south-central part of the state is the city of Billings. Billings is the largest city in Montana. Alright, here is our final question. What is the state bird of Montana? What is the state bird of Montana? The state bird of Montana is the western meadowlark. That's right, the western meadowlark. The western meadowlark is a cute, medium-sized bird that almost looks like it's wearing a bib. Western meadowlarks love the wide open spaces of Montana, and they love eating insects. Thanks for watching this video on the state of Montana, Big Sky Country, the Treasure State.